I recall when you said that you would never leave me. You told me more, so much more, like when the time you whispered in my ear. There was heaven in my heart. I remember when you said that you were here forever. Then you left without even seeing that you're leaving. I was hurt, and it really won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I pray that you would stay, but then you're gone and oh so far away. It was too late nang malaman ko na lalaki pala ang best friend mo. Nandidiri ako. Mahal, baka pwedeng bati na tayo. Sa short niya may sumilip na kakaiba. Itlog niya pala ay puki ng ina. Bakla mamatay ka na. Ako ay nagsisi, ba't niloko kita?